Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics effectively, step by step. First, it is crucial to build a strong foundation by mastering core concepts. Avoid rushing through topics. Instead, dedicate ample time to truly understand the underlying principles. This foundational knowledge, especially in areas like mechanics and electromagnetism, will serve as the bedrock for solving complex problems later on. Aim for a clear grasp of each concept before advancing. Next, embrace active recall for efficient learning. Instead of passively reading, transform your formula sheets into a question-and-answer format. For example, write formula for kinetic energy on one side and the answer on the other. This method forces your brain to retrieve information, significantly boosting retention. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes per chapter for this active revision technique. Consistent problem solving is your third vital step. Aim to solve around 40 physics questions every single day. This consistent practice is essential for developing your problem-solving abilities and speed. Additionally, thoroughly work through previous year questions, not just once, but multiple times. This helps you identify recurring concepts and understand how formulas are applied in various scenarios. Finally, analyze your mistakes and take regular mock tests. After solving problems, meticulously review every incorrect or difficult question. Understand why you made the error and what concept you missed. This targeted review is invaluable for improvement. Furthermore, integrate mock tests into your routine to simulate exam conditions, refine your time management, and boost your overall confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.